Unlocking speed. Chunking text for rapid reading. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving into an exciting technique that can drastically improve your reading speed and fluency. It's called chunking text, and it's a powerful tool in eliminating subvocalization, which is a common barrier to speedy reading. So, are you ready to take your reading to the next level? Let's get started. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by chunking text. Chunking text is a reading strategy that involves breaking down the text into meaningful units or chunks. These chunks could be phrases, clauses, or entire sentences. Instead of reading word by word, which is how most of us were taught to read, chunking involves visually taking in multiple words at once. This technique is based on the idea that our brain can process several pieces of information simultaneously, rather than just one word at a time. It enhances reading speed, comprehension, and fluency by reducing the need for subvocalization, the silent pronunciation of words in our heads. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to chunk text. Here's a step-by-step process. 1. Don't read word by word. We have been trained from an early age to read word by word. But this isn't the most efficient way to read. When we read word by word, we often end up subvocalizing, which slows us down. 2. Group words together. Try to visually group words together as you read. Start with 2 words at a time, then move to 3, 4, and so on. 3. Understand the meaning. Ensure that the chunks you're creating make sense in the context of what you're reading. The idea is not to just read faster, but to understand and comprehend faster. 4. Practice consistently. Like any new skill, chunking requires practice. Start with easy texts, then slowly move to more complex ones as you get more comfortable. Understanding the benefits of chunking can be motivating. Here are a few. 1. Faster reading speed. By grouping words together, you're able to read more quickly than you would if you read word by word. 2. Improved comprehension. Chunking helps in better understanding the context and the connections between words, enhancing comprehension. 3. Reduced subvocalization. Chunking helps eliminate subvocalization because it's hard to subvocalize when you're reading multiple words at once. There you have it. That's our deep dive into chunking text, a powerful tool for improving reading speed and fluency. Remember, like any new skill, it takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged if you don't get it right away. Be patient with yourself and practice consistently. We hope this video has been helpful to you and look forward to hearing about your reading successes. Until next time, happy learning and happy reading.